Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, promo code and discount. This is yours Jageswar. If you are looking to save money whether on your next order or your next purchase or flight or ride, don't be worried, you are on the right page. In this video, I will show you how to get a 70% off coupon codes on TEMU for your next purchase. So watch the full video to unlock ultimate money saving secrets. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated. First of all, you will need to open your preferred browser on your device, whether you are using phone, MacBook, Windows PC or laptop. Let me open the Chrome browser here on my device. Once you are on the home page of your browser, there you will find a search bar at the top of your device. Go ahead and type TEMU coupon codes and search for it. With that, you will get links of different websites. You can head over towards any one of these websites and from where you can get discount on your purchase. But among these websites, this one Coupon Flow is the iconic website where you will find incredible deals and offers which you are not going to find anywhere else. This site is mostly known for its user-friendly interface, regularly updated offers and vast selection of retailers. So go ahead and click on this link and this will bring up a list of available coupon codes and deals for TEMU. Here you can see there are tons of offers including discounts on specific orders like 30% off, $55 off, $55 off, 70% off, 90% off and so on. Let me click on this offer, that is $55 off, and once you click on the offer you will get code for that offer. You can see here is the code for that offer, and here under offer details you can also check that the code is expired or not, and if not then go ahead and copy this code by clicking on the copy option. Once the code is copied, now you will need to click on this redeem option and that will lead you to the official website of TEMU. Let me click here. Here you can see I am directly on the TEMU app because I have already logged into TEMU account. But if you don't have TEMU account, then first you will be asked either to continue through TEMU app or through the website. And there you will need to first create your account, and after that you will need to log into your TEMU account. And with that you can do your shopping on TEMU. Once you have done your shopping, now you will need to move to the checkout page. At the checkout page you will find a section of the code where you will need to paste the code which you copied previously and apply that. And with that you will get discount applied to your total. It's that easy. In this way you can save significant amount of money on your purchase through TEMU. Now let's head back to the coupon flow page. Likewise you can also try other offers which are available here, and you have to use the same exact steps which you used previously, and with that you will get discount on your purchase. But make sure that the code is not expired, and if the code is not expired then you will get discount. But if the code is expired then you are not going to get discount. Now let's head back to the home page of our browser. Here beside this coupon flow website you can also visit other websites as well as, and from where also you can get good discounts on your purchase. This is one of the also genuine website called Groupon. You can also visit this website and from here also you can save significant amount of money on your purchase. So friends, that's all about how to get a 70% off coupon codes on TEMU for your next purchase. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did then please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Another most significantly, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification of our every latest money saving tips and tricks at first. Nextly, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in comment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a happy saving.